Hey, tak ya yalnız kadar. Spice market here, Egyptian market, all Egyptian market, very old one. And here the spices, most of the shopping here were spices, like Kumar, Jeffrey, Novelty, Turkish Delight, tea, whatever, the Turkish Delight is pistachio. And here there's some ginger, pomegranate, fraise, apricot, date, coffee, Turkish coffee, Osmanli coffee, not like Turkish, not like Arabic one. Osmanli coffee, there's the milk inside of it. This one. And there's saffron, it's very expensive one. Saffron, people use it for cooking, where you make some eat soup or spaghetti. They give color red and gives a taste very lovely. Original one. And if you want to know it's good or not, look for the color. Red one, original one, and the smell one. I don't know how to let you smell, but yes, one. It's a very expensive, like gold price. And this one here, pistachio and walnut, chocolate. I don't know what to call it in English. ملبس in Arabic. ملبس مع فستق مع جلادين كاكاوات. And this one Turkish Delight. Very famous one, Turkish Delight. It's from Turkey. One. People they buy for souvenir. Very good tasty one. Our friend he going to test it with his wife or girlfriend, I don't know. Wife, sorry. Pomegranate, pistachio. Here my friend Abu Abdullah from Turkey also. Hey. Good. And I have this one for who have diabetes. Little bit sugar.
في شاي الأخضر.
Sugar.
شاي الأخضر.
And we have here spices for cooking in the house.
شاي الأخضر.
All kind of the spices. And everyone they write the name on it. For fish one, mint, cardamom, giraffe, ginger, za'atar, or I don't know what to call it. Pepper, hot, cold one, hot one. And this one soap one. For the soap one, this one for the labne soap. That's whatever we have. And we have extra here, perfume, oud one, or mist, or amber. I have one, we don't give name, because it's special one, all special name. I have just one, I don't give name, look. X1 we call it. Why? Because if you give the name, all the people they will have the same. I'm going to put it in your hand.
Ben kefilim yani, her şeyin kefilim.
Smell it. On sex for man or woman. Let her smell it.
Ben işte öyle söyleyeyim. Sen bir anlat. Ben dışarıdayım. Ben onu bekliyorum, tamam.
This whatever. And I have like colonia, you know, those things. Tea and everything. Tea and this one we call it jasmine tea. Normally it's open very big one and they give the relax. And when you drink it, give relax and give like flower. This one give like sweet kind of cup of tea.
نحب بكرة طيب نجرب بكرة وبعد بكرة.
We have love tea, we call it. We have pomegranate, manga, tooth.
جربي يوم عندي.
Look whatever we have. And we have this thing also for, strong honey with the strong things, for love. I'm sorry, don't understand English. Finish?